Dreamer's design here. This is the one I won for their Drill Along 2023. I already took it out of the box. I was so excited. Sorry. But they do come in this beautiful dust bag. Let's get into this. Okay. So, dust bag aside. Got the toolkit in this cute little pouch. And of course, you get baggies, some squishies, a diamond painting pen with a single placer on it, and the other one is for your ABs. You get a pair of tweezers. Just be careful, they're really sharp. 2 tubs of wax, multi-placers, a straightener, a purple tray, and a divider. That's what comes in your tray, your toolkit. Sorry about the noise. Get this stuff put away. And let's get this pretty bow off here that makes a little package for you. Let's get our drawing out of here. Okay. And then you get this sticker sheet here. This is called Stairway to Serenity by Alan Gina. Hope I said that right. This is a round diamond painting. It is a 80 by 60 centimeters. You can do your start and end date. Put this in your logbook if you have one. Then you got all these little stickers here. There is 64 colors. Now Dreamers puts their ABs at the end. And it looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ABs. Awesome. Then they come with this little direction book on how to diamond paint. Also, you can scan the QR code here for 15% off your next purchase. Some tricks and trades. And then we got our drills here, which tells you that it's for this drawing. You got a legend on each side. Information up at the top here. Here at the top tells you all the information. If this wants to even bend here, and it doesn't. So here's the information. Stairway to Serenity. It's a licensed drawing. As we're looking this close, very good symbols, clear, easy to see. This here, you can roll it backwards to get that all nice and flat. Let's see the sticky. Nice and sticky. So yes, love, love, love this one. This one is going to be fun to do. Especially it has my lighthouses. I'm a lighthouse freak. Anything lighthouses, I'm doing it. We got a little sailboat, some birds, some flowers, butterfly. Very, very beautiful. Another butterfly. So let's see here if we can find some of these. Yes, very beautiful. Let's look at the drills. The drills. Okay, so let's look at the drills for this diamond painting. The Stairway to Serenity. As you can see, it says it right here on the package, which means if you store your canvas and your drill separately, it will be easy to find the drills that do go with this canvas. So let's open these babies up. And we are looking at 64 colors and 8 ABs. Let's move this over here to the side. Okay. Let's pull this first one out here. Let's see what we got. Got some burgundy, some yellow, some green, some brown, a mauve, black, blue, green, green, and pink. Another pink, an orange, a green, a green, a green, a green, a khaki, a green, a greenish, and another like khaki color. The next strip here, of course I open them and they're all upside down. Green, green, greens, a white, some more greens, an orange, a brown, a light pink, and a burgundy. And let's see what else we got here. A green, these two are the same. Green, green, these two are the same. A burgundy, a burnt orange, some tans, green and brown and orange and blues and greens and browns and whites and blue. Getting here to the last bit. Blue and yellow and purples and blue. More blues, then orange, and this is our first AB. It's a yellow, and the yellows here and the flowers, these flowers down below, some over here, them are all that yellow. Then our last strip here is all the ABs. We have a white, a purple, a light purple, a pink, a red, a yellowish orange, and a blue. Well, let's find these babies. So the white is mixed up all in here, up in the sky, in the rainbow. Purples are here in the flowers, over on the flowers here, some up at the top there. This lighter purple here, some of it's in the rainbow, more flowers. Same, the pinks are in the flowers. Up here, The red is over here, mixed up in some of those flowers and the butterfly. The orange over here and some of these flowers. The butterfly. And this blue is in the water and in the sky. There you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. It really does help us. Thank you. Bye.